Okay, so welcome back, guys. This is ABJ again from Covalent Technology, and this is the part two or the second video to the video or introduction to MX Excel 2013. So, if you are just joining us, please look for the first video to the introduction of Excel 2013. Then you can start from here. So, the last place we stopped was looking at the Robins and the various section and comments. Okay, so we are back and we will be taking it to the environment. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just going to run through a few things. This is the name box of the cell. So this is where you locate a cell. For example, this is the formula bar and this is a name bar. So if you click on which is J11, R11, sorry, as you can see, the name bars they indicate R11. So if you click on uh, L19, as you can see, L19. So Excel is laid out in rows and columns. This is column A, row 1. So this is row 1, and this is column A. So this is row 6 and column A. So if you click this, the reason you see column or R row 11. So this is how you identify a cell by the cell name box. So if you are asked to click to K8, it means you say K8. Okay, for example, K8. So if you are asked to click to or find cell D500, you can go above or scrolling to reach the D500. You get come to the cell name box and say D500. You press enter. So as you can see, it takes you straight to D500. So the name box is also almost like or memory in location, like the address bus in the computer, they carry exactly to the address of that particular box cell. So if you say A1 and press enter, it's going to take us back to the beginning of the very first cell. So there's the name box and there's the formula bar. And we will work through all this one at a time if we have what to do with them. So I'm just going to show you a few things. There's the file button, and what is new and in the Excel environment is the export. You can export and also create an account. So if you go to option and on the option, I just want to show you another one. I say advanced. On the advanced, we get cursor direction that is down. You know, most often or by default in Excel, if you tap anything and press enter or in Word, PowerPoint, Publisher, and any Microsoft Office suite, you press enter, the cursor drop down. Or you can change it in Excel by saying up or right. So let's say up and take OK. So if we have to tap, for example, on name Jennifer, if we tap the name Jennifer and press enter, instead of the cursor going down, the cursor go up. So even if we have to tap another name called classes and press enter, you find that the cursor go up because we make the changes from the environment, but that is totally advanced setting in advance where you'll be able to troubleshoot and diagnose the Excel spreadsheet. We will do that later. I just want to play you around with a few things. So you go back to file, go back to options, and go to advanced and click from up to down because we don't want to be different from the other people. So there are a few things we need to change. For example, we go to save and make sure you change this from 10 to 1. That is the auto recovery information. Every 10 minutes is too long if we are working. So that 10 minutes before the auto recovery information will record or save what we are doing. But if it is 1 minute, then after 1 minute we'll be having or copy of what we are doing. So you take OK, and then we got two things. So now if you have to type Jennifer and press enter, the cursor go down like the normal cursor. So I would love to show you a few things like home, inside, page layout. You can change any of this to your own name to remember them. So if you go to file and go to file option, and click on custom mask, custom mask the rubbing. As you can see, we got home, inside, page layout, they are all checked. So if you check the developer mode and click OK, you see we have the developer tab also inside there. So if you go back to file option, quick access toolbar, custom mask the rubbing, and uncheck inside and that of data and click OK. Find out we don't have any insight in our Excel spreadsheet. Even if we close the Excel spreadsheet and reopen it, we'll still be having the insight and that of the data tab out of the Excel environment. So please take that into notice and see how best we can work with that in advance as we walk through the Excel step by step. So go back, click on file options, quick access of custom mask, and check the inside and the data back and take OK. And then now we have them. So if you want to remember what you're doing, like maybe you want to say, oh, this is my house, so I want to name it my house, click on file option, go back to custom by rubbing, where you got home. As you can see, we got rename if the home is highlighted. If the page layer is highlighted, you also got rename. So you can take rename and change the page layout to JENNR. So let's say JENNRFER. Change it to Jennifer and take OK. And I can go to the home and take rename and name a home of Johnson, or let's say ABJ. Take OK and take OK. As you can see, I got my home and my insert changed to ABJ and Jennifer. So we can do that in custom mask. And few things I would love to show you how you can do the last cell and the last column in the Excel environment. So make sure you click on the first column and the first cell and hold down your control key on the keyboard and just tap the down arrow key. So it's control plus the down arrow key. It will take you to the last cell in the Excel environment, the last row. So as you can see is 1 2 3 4 5. So we got 1,048,576 rows. So if you want to see the last column, you do the same by holding the control key and pressing the left arrow key. Hold down the control key and press the left arrow key. It will also take you to the, so let me do that. So my left arrow got a little problem. Sorry for this. So it's control plus the left arrow key, then click control plus the left arrow key will take me to the last column. So as you can see, the last column is XFD. Want to go back to the first cell, you can locate it from the cell name box, or you just hold down your control key and press the up arrow key. But for this, I will just tap A1 and press enter. It will take me back to my first screen. So these are some of the few things, and you can rename the sheet, but we'll do that later. So another thing we need to do is, if your date and time is set, you just clicking in a cell, tap equal or now, parenthesis open and closes, and just press enter. If you do that, it will give you the 4th 24th 2018 at 3:05 a.m. So I'm not sleepy, I'm awake at 3. Can you imagine that? Okay, so these are just few tricks within the Excel environment. You can hide gray lines in the Excel environment by going to view and then gray line, and check the gray line, and then you can see you have a very clear sheet. Then you can go back. Or my own is AVJ. Don't forget, you can rename it and put it back to whatsoever. So you go back to view and check this gray line, and then we go back to file, option, and customize the rubbing. We can rename it back to home, KHOME, table K, and we can rename Jennifer back to the site and take OK and OK. So we have everything back to a normal self. Okay, so let's get rid of all this. Okay, so let's get rid of all this. Now we are going to start with few things. So we're just playing around the environment, renaming. Sorry, we're just playing around the environment. So okay, so this is the end of the video 2. Watch out for the video 3, where you will be keying information into the Excel spreadsheet. I hope the video 1 and video 2 will motivate or put you on track to continue with this class. And if you have any comment, please make sure to leave it down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like our video, share, subscribe, invite friends to like our video and subscribe to our page. This is Oven and Reggie 2018. Bye bye.